Bismillah, Assalamu alaikum. The Quran, a guide for billions of people, not only lights the path to spiritual growth, but also the path to physical health. Within each verse there lies deep wisdom. In its verses there's knowledge about nature, including the healing properties of plants and various substances. This knowledge has been passed down through generations. Among them, olive oil is mentioned as a blessed oil, as proof of its incredible benefits. This oil has been used in many cultures. For centuries, olive oil hasn't just been a staple food in many cultures. It's a symbol of health, vitality, and healing. Its use extends from the kitchen to traditional medicine. The Quran's emphasis on olive oil encourages us to look beyond its culinary uses and acknowledge its therapeutic potential. This ancient wisdom, passed down through generations, sparks our curiosity. We begin to understand that there's more to learn. How does this blessed oil contribute to our well-being? What benefits can we get from using it every day? What secrets does it hold that modern science is now beginning to uncover? Research continues to reveal more benefits of this olive oil. The Quran, in its beautiful verses, speaks of olive oil with great respect. One such verse, found in Surah An-Nur, describes it as oil from a blessed tree. This description alone elevates olive oil beyond a mere cooking ingredient, hinting at a deeper meaning. Furthermore, the Quran in Surah Al-Mu'minun mentions oil from a blessed tree that gives light, even though fire barely touches it. This imagery evokes a sense of purity and potential, suggesting that olive oil has inherent qualities beneficial to human health. Modern science echoes the Quran's praise for olive oil, highlighting its long-recognized health benefits. Confirming its remarkable health benefits, olive oil has become a key part of the Mediterranean diet, rich in monounsaturated fatty acids, especially oleic acid. Olive oil is a boon for heart health. Studies show that olive oil can lower bad cholesterol levels and reduce the risk of heart disease. Beyond heart health, olive oil exhibits anti-inflammatory properties, which are highly beneficial for overall health. Thanks to its abundant antioxidants, olive oil helps fight oxidative stress, protecting cells from damage, and potentially reducing the risk of chronic diseases, including some types of cancer. These powerful compounds also support healthy brain function, and may help in the prevention of neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's. The benefits of olive oil even extend to skin health, where its moisturizing and antioxidant properties work wonders. Olive oil is truly a remarkable gift of nature, providing benefits inside and out. The Quran's emphasis on the benefits of olive oil finds remarkable alignment with modern scientific discoveries. Olive oil, mentioned in the Holy Book, is now proven to have numerous health benefits supported by scientific research. The blessed oil, revered for centuries, is now recognized for its health-boosting properties. From ancient times to the modern era, olive oil remains a symbol of health and well-being. This harmony between ancient wisdom and modern science underscores the timeless relevance of the Quran and its ability to guide us towards a healthier life. Recent research suggests that olive oil can help prevent various chronic diseases. As we delve deeper into the world of science, we become increasingly drawn to the wisdom contained in ancient texts like the Quran. This knowledge is not only relevant but also invaluable in the context of our modern lives. These texts, far from being relics of the past, hold valuable insights that can enhance our understanding of nature and guide us towards a healthier and more fulfilling life. By combining ancient wisdom and scientific discoveries, we can uncover new ways to improve our quality of life. Thank you for joining us on this journey to uncover the secrets of olive oil, as revealed in the Quran. We hope you found this video enlightening and informative. If you enjoyed this content, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and share this video with your friends and family. Your support helps us create more valuable content. Until next time, stay healthy and stay curious. Don't forget to click on our other videos for more insightful content. Insha'Allah, see you in the next video.